a classic cocktail believed to be the precursor to the martini. The Martinez is a wonderful blend of gin, sweet vermouth, maraschino liqueur, and bitters. You will need the following ingredients: 1½ ounces Old Tom gin. Old Tom gin gives a sweeter profile compared to London dry gin. 1½ ounces sweet vermouth. Choose a high-quality vermouth for a richer flavor. 1/4 ounce maraschino liqueur. Adds a touch of cherry flavor to the drink. 2 dashes orange bitters. Provides a citrusy aroma and flavor. 1 lemon twist, for garnish and a hint of citrus. For equipment you will need mixing glass, bar spoon, jigger, strainer, chilled coupe or martini glass. Here are the instructions. Add Old Tom gin, sweet vermouth, maraschino liqueur, and orange bitters to a mixing glass filled with ice. Stir well until the mixture is chilled, about 20 to 30 seconds. Strain the mixture into a chilled coupe or martini glass. Garnish with a lemon twist. The Martinez is often cited as the predecessor to the modern martini. Some say it was created by the famous bartender Jerry Thomas in the 1860s.